Hello everyone, and welcome to my shop again. Doing a little outside work today. Just wanted to do a quick one on taking some of this rough maple. This is 4/4 stuff, about an inch thick, and I've already broke it down from like 8 feet lengths, and we've got to get it through the planer over here, and we'll take it down to 0.75, 3/4 of an inch is what we shoot for. So I'm going to kind of show you how I do that. And first off, we got to get a measure of how thick this stuff really is, so I know where to start at. Let me grab a caliber. Okay, here's one so I can find it. It's a real nice one. This is a Wi-Fi or a wireless Bluetooth. It works for my shaper origin. First thing I'm gonna do is just get a quick reference of where I can start that blade at. Now it's these are 0.96. Okay, so we're going to start around 9.2, something like that. That's what I'll do. Shut that off. Put it over here. Go over here and check the thing. Let's see. We'll have to crank this up a little bit more. We'll have to raise it to 9.2. If I don't raise it up, what's going to happen? It's too thick, and it won't. It'll bog the whole machine down and have to destroy it. But we're going to get started. This thing's really loud, so hopefully it's not bad for you guys. It's a dust collector.